A lot of times you'll go to places and you'll see people clapping on 1 and 3, and it drives me crazy, and it drives musicians crazy. Hi everyone, Adam Levine here. Welcome to the Adam Loves Guitar channel. But if they're clapping on 2 and 4, now we're all, the audience and the band is all clicked into this 1, 2, 3, 4. So by accenting where that clap is, you're creating that groove. Really what rhythm guitar boils down to in a nutshell is division of the beat. So what do I mean by that? If you have a beat, which would be like a quarter note, like 1, 2, 3, 4, you want to be able with your right hand, just like a drummer would. And by the way, I consider the guitar a drum. When I saw what you could do on the guitar and how you can drum on the guitar, I took a lot of the things from drumming and brought it over to my right hand. So it's important that you're able to take a beat of music and divide it into 2, into 3, and into 4. In other words, if you were playing a single note, you want to be able to play right with the quarter note, and then you want to be able to play 2 notes in the time of 1 quarter note, 3 notes in the time of 1 quarter note, and 4 notes. Okay? I have a little thing here that is defining the beat. Right? That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So if I match that first, I'm just playing right on the beat. Now I want to divide that into 2. 1 and 2 and... Okay, now I'm going to jump to 4. Notice the quarter note didn't change. It's still, but I'm dividing into 4. 4 notes in the time of 1 beat. And here we go. Some people call that the good and plenty rhythm. Good and plenty. Every time you say good, that's the downbeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good and plenty, good and plenty, good and plenty, good and plenty. Those are called 16th notes, by the way. But basically, we're thinking of it as dividing a beat into 4 sections. Now, here things get a little tricky because you have to feel this. These are called triplets, or division of the beat by 3. Okay, so again, the quarter note is this. Now I'm going to divide this into 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Some music teachers use the word blueberry, or 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet. So the quarter note, remember, is this. Okay, so in the beginning, you just want to get really good at matching this. You don't want to hear any what's called flamming. A flam is like where you're playing with a beat, like a quarter note, but it's slightly off. You're hearing it just a microsecond too late or too short. So we want to eliminate that. We want everything to be right on. Eighth notes, or division by 2. Now, I'm going to tell you something that's almost a secret, but it's a secret to creating what's called a pocket, to make your songs really feel like they've got some oomph to it, or it just has a feel where things are sinking in. So the beginning rhythm guitar player plays this division like this. There's no what we call accents. It's very flat, 1 and 2 and 3. What you want to do is you want to get, no matter what your division is, you have 4 beats in a measure. You want to be able to accent the second beat of the measure and the 4th beat of the measure. Okay, so if I'm playing a division of 2 and there's 4 beats, that means I have a total of 8 strums. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. On the second down, every time, you want to accent it. So you go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now you get this. And you create what musicians call a pocket. I'm going to go through the strums one at a time. You can play along or practice along, but again, it helps to use some kind of a metronome or something that's keeping the beat so that you can hear how you're fitting against that quarter note beat. So here's the quarter note. Okay, no division right with the quarter note. Eighth notes, or division by 2. Okay, now I'm going to divide into 4. We're going to skip the 3 for a second. Good and plenty, good and plenty. Okay, so here's something that happens with, as guitar players, we can get a little tangled up playing triplets. Because if you think about it, if you strum down, up, down for the triplet, and then you get to the second beat, your hand is going to be ready to come up with an upbeat when the actual beat is a downbeat, and it's like tapping your head and rubbing your belly at the same time. It throws you off. Usually, when you play triplets on the guitar, if you're gonna play every triplet, you use all downstrokes. So this would be. But to be honest, we rarely do that unless it's a certain style, like some of the old 50s doo-wop style and stuff like that. You might be, or the tempo's slow. What we usually do is we create what's called, and you want to know this term, a shuffle strum. So the shuffle strum is based on the division of the beat by 3, but we leave out the second part of the triplet. So instead of 1, 2, 3, it's 1, 3. You leave out 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, and you get this shuffle. It sounds like a horse going over a wooden bridge. And you get this. So I'm going 1, 2 is, you don't play 2, 1, 2, and then you come up on 3, and that allows you to come back down on the next beat with a downstroke. And so here we go. Here's the shuffle. Okay, and you might hear something like this. Here's a shuffle with the blues. This is division by 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you find a steady rhythm And if you can train yourself to go from eighth notes to triplets to 16th notes, you will be well on your way to being a good rhythm guitar player, because everything that comes after that is just a variation on that. Okay, and what do I mean by that? Let's say I was playing 16th notes, something like this. 1E and a 2E and, or I'm playing everything, right? But I can break it up. I can still get this feel. Okay, and do something like this. When I'm playing that in my head, I'm going, and then I'm deciding where to ghost some notes, leave some out, but it's still division of 4. So anything you can do to develop that sense of rhythm is going to make you a better musician and obviously a better guitar player as well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on your way out. For more information on my signature guitar and musicianship courses, check out the information in the links below. Bye for now.